my friends, and welcome to Where Wendy Creates. Today I have picked up a Sewology Bobbin Box. Holds 50 bobbins on clearance. I'm thinking this is only going to hold those bobbins for my small or my regular house-sized sewing machine, but I do have bags and bags of the bobbins for the long arm, so I thought we would try that together. So let's go ahead and dive into this box and see if we can use this for the long arm or if this is specifically for our, and it looks like both sides open. Interesting. So we've kind of got that accordion going on there. So that's unexpected. And those bobbin cases are way too small for these. Let's take a look. Yep, it does not fit the long arm bobbins. So if you're going to want them for the metal bobbins for the long arm machine, this box will simply not do the job. But for my regular sewing machine bobbins, all of my other sewing machines, this case is definitely needed. So let's go ahead and pop all of our bobbins in here, try to do them somewhat organized. And the strings we need to wind back on top of them or simply trim them off. We'll use the rest to make a scarf or to make one of my beautiful wraps. And we're just going to put all of the bobbins in here, and then we'll go back and try to color code them. Notice that we do have different kind of bobbins. These go into, whoopsie, most of our sewing machines take the rounded, shorter bobbins. However, if you're using the heavy duty sewing machine like I am, it does require the larger ones with a rectangular or the square hole in them, not the circle hole in them. So we'll keep those out. And do notice if you get thread from different places, they do come in paper bobbins, they come in smaller bobbins, or they come with no bobbin at all like the pink one. So you have to really watch if you're ordering thread online as to what you are purchasing, because there is a big difference. There is a big difference. But it is going to be absolutely beautiful when we get all of these bobbins put inside of this beautiful case. And that way we have less to fuss with when we are needing a thread. We can immediately open our case, all of our thread colors and choices are together, and we can decide whether we need to make a bobbin or if we have a bobbin already made with the correct color. So let's maybe finish this up with a couple of purples, and then we'll organize. Once we have all the bobbins in here, we'll tweak it back and forth over the short future to see how we have them. And we flip it over. 50 bobbins fit in this case, 50. Amazing. I would not have thought that was 25. 5 times 5. Wow! Okay, so let's put all of our whites down here in a row. Filled that one a little too full. And once we're done with our whites, looks like we have more blacks. Let's put all of our blacks in together in a row. And again, we're getting a lot of loose threads that we'll have to wind back on the bobbins or discard. Some dark blues, dark green, dark brown, and then a whole bunch of beautiful other colors. And some empty bobbins. Okay, well, it looks like I do have over 50 different bobbins, and that's not including what I have in the sewing machine. So I am pretty happy that we have some leftovers here, but our case is full. We can organize this according to colors, take off the sticker on the front, and that way we can quickly see what color we need without opening them and stringing them all over the place. Great idea. I love this sewology.